My name is Luke. I'm with Audinate. We're at InfoComm 2022. We've talked about Dante AV and the ability to utilize the Dante network for your video transport. That's video, 8 channels of audio plus control. So let's talk about the software implementation of Dante AV, and that's Dante Studio, which we just released a few weeks ago at NAB. So Dante Studio consists of 3 features, if you will. They're the Dante Video RX, which is the receive RX, Dante Video TX, which is the transmit, and the Dante Video Viewer. So you saw previously with Dante AV, we have the ability to take video and land it on your network as a Dante AV flow. What Dante Studio is an application that lives on your PC that allows you to turn your PC into a native Dante AV receive, transmit, or viewing endpoint, if you will. So just to give you an idea of like the signal flow that we have going on here, we have a PTZ camera. This is a Dante AV camera native, but we're not utilizing the PoE. We are using PoE. We're not using the Cat5 for the Dante AV transport because we actually wanted to send it to an encoder, just to give you an idea. So this could be any camera coming out of that HDMI and hitting a Dante AV encoder, one of the hardware encoders. It's actually behind the wall here. That video flow is now landing on the network and is just available for any Dante AV receiver to receive. And that's what we are doing right here. So what we have done, in this case with Panopto, is we've selected the input source to be Dante Studio. And so the camera feed here is landed on the network. Our computer is also landed on that network switch, and we're able to natively pull that Dante AV flow into your computer. If you want to transmit Dante AV directly from your computer, that's what the Dante Video TX is. So in this case, we have a media player plugged into a computer, again, here in the rack, which is plugged into the network switch because we're using Dante Video TX of Dante Studio to turn this into a Dante AV flow and put it on the network. And now we could receive that into Panopto if we wanted to. But what we're doing here is we're actually utilizing Dante Video Viewer just to view that Dante AV flow. That's why you essentially here see this computer screen, because we're transmitting not the output from a particular app, but we're taking the entire video output from this computer, landing that on the Dante network as Dante AV, and receiving it here into Dante Video Viewer. So that's kind of a basic synopsis of what Dante Studio is. It turns your PC natively into a Dante AV endpoint. If you want more information, come check out Audinate.com.